Today I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page name. Facebook changes designs and layouts often. Sometimes it's hard to find the settings to change Facebook page name. This video I made on recent updates. I hope you will find it useful. Open your Facebook app. Tap this three lines icon. This is my main profile. If you find this icon next to your profile name, then tap it. And you will see the pages you manage. Or you can tap here. It will also show you the pages you manage. This is my page. Let's tap on the page name. Now to change the page name, you will have to switch to your page from your main profile. Now tap here and tap the gear icon. Then tap page settings. Here you will see some basic settings for your page. Then tap page name. Facebook says if you change the name, you can change it again for 60 days. Okay. Now tap the page name here and change it to a new name. Watch carefully if you type it right before tapping review change. If you correctly type the new name, then tap review change. This is how your name will appear on your profile. This is current page name and this will be new name for my page. Facebook says the review may take up to 3 days and may require additional information. If approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change name again for 60 days. If everything is okay, like a spelling of the new name, then type your password and save changes. That's it. This is how you can change page names on Facebook. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Plus, feel free to ask any questions in the comments. Thank you.